Yes, I stopped using Vimeo, and I have nothing against the tool, except for the price issue, okay? I'm on their site here, and we use this plan here. Look, paying annually, it was almost 1,000 reais. And this became very expensive for us here, since we found another tool that charges us 5 reais and 50 cents per month. So at the end of the year, I'm paying 60 reais instead of 1,000 reais. You understand? This difference is striking. So Vimeo is very good, I make that clear here, but the other tool that I will teach you is infinitely cheaper and has many features beyond Vimeo, okay? Before I teach you the tool, I'm going to ask you, help me out, right? Sign up for the tool if you like it through my link bit.ly/ganhe-bunny-bonus. The G has to be uppercase, the B has to be uppercase, and the other B also has to be uppercase, okay? The link has to be exactly like this. By signing up through my link, you get $20 in credit on this new tool and 14 days free, okay? And this new tool, when you click on this link, you'll land on this screen here. By clicking here, you will be confirming that you want to go to this new tool. Look at that, pow, and there it went. This here is the bunny.net page, which is the tool I am telling you about. And already addressing questions from the other videos I made, I will explain here how much it really costs for you to use bunny.net and some configurations for those who, like me, use Vimeo and other tools, right? To store video lessons, right? For courses or to store sales videos, VSL, and so on. Bunny works excellently for these two purposes, okay? And also for making backups. In case you want to backup photos, videos, etc. because it's so cheap and so good that it even works just for backup. I've already created a new login and password here. I'm going to log in now. All set, you're logged in, and showing here, this is the main dashboard of Bunny. Okay, here you can change the color. I'll leave it light, all right, and it already shows the $20 you earned because you signed up through my link, okay? It also offers $30 extra just for simply entering your information. Enter your information, payment details, and when these credits are used up, you will start being charged. But as I told you, it's very cheap compared to Vimeo. For us here, it charges $1 per month, storing 100 gigabytes of video. If each of your videos is 1 gigabyte, you store 100 videos, each 1 gigabyte, and you'll be charged $1 per month, 5 and 50 reais. Very cheap, right? We have another account where we store about 600 gigabytes, and then it charges about $6 per month, you know? The difference compared to Vimeo is absurd. Absurd. Vimeo charged us $12 per month for the most basic plan, which couldn't accommodate those 600 gigabytes. You understand? At the time we were using it, and then we migrated to this tool here. So you already earned $20 for signing up through my link, plus 30 for entering payment details. Okay, I'll go through this quickly. Look, this here is the main menu. CDN, you won't need to change anything. Storage, you simply click here and create a new storage library. Storage is storage. So if you just want to store files, photos, videos, whatever you want, you can store here and it will charge you for storage the price I mentioned, okay? This is the part where people who work with sales, videos and courses use, all right? Here I already created a library, but if you were to do it from scratch, you simply click here, give a name to your library. I will put various videos too here, as I had already put one in the other. I will click here and select to use this new video player of theirs that will come with some new features like faster video loading, some small functions within the video that will improve things for those who work with sales pages, sales videos and so on. And down here, look, comes the question of cost. How much it will cost to store, which was a recurring question from people. It depends. Their main storage server is in Frankfurt, Germany. This is excellent for me because their server is very fast. Very fast. If I only store the data there in Frankfurt, Germany, it will cost me 1 cent of a dollar per gigabyte stored. So 100 gigabytes will be $1 per month, okay? Now if you want them to have replicas of the files on servers in different places around the world, for example, oh, I'm running VSL Latam, I want it to be even faster, then you click here in São Paulo, which is their server for Latin America, and it will charge you, instead of 0.01, it will charge you 0.02, which is still very cheap. If you have 100 gigabytes, it will charge you $2 per month. Oh Edu, but have you tested it? Yes, I have tested it. And just with the one in Frankfurt, Germany, it's very fast, folks, very fast. So for me, there's no need for any other server anywhere else to speed up the video loading even more, okay? Just this here is enough for me. 0.01 gigabyte for 0.01 cent of a dollar per gigabyte stored. I put the library here. Then simple, look, very simple. It will come out here. I start uploading video here directly, right, in the main file here, or I can create collections to organize, right? So for example, here are the VSLs. Then, oops, there's a video collection. Then I start organizing. See, here are the video lessons. Then to have it organized, because if I upload directly here in the overview, everything will be, you know, in the same folder as if it were. So if I want to separate by folders, here it is. Then I upload a video like I've already done it, right? I'll go back here to the libraries. Look, I have two, okay? Up here, look, there are the two libraries I created. I'll go to one because I've already uploaded a video, okay? I also created collections, look, to organize, look, various videos, video lessons, VSLs and such. I'll click here on this collection, on this specific video, and I'll quickly show you the settings here. Here you can change the name of the video for X, just for organization, okay? Video 1, advertisement 001, I don't know, video advertisement 001, okay. Down here I can choose an automatic thumbnail that it suggests to me, or I can upload a thumbnail. If you are going to embed this video, whether in WordPress or anywhere else, you will embed it to appear on your page, on your site. Here are the settings. It's a responsive video. It's good that it is. It has autoplay. This is excellent. So when the person loads the page, the video automatically plays. Excellent. Does it do a preload? Does it have loop? When the video ends, it starts again by itself, right? Automatically. It can have the option to come muted, right? Which in VSLs usually starts like that. Yes, just click here. And you click here and copy the code to embed wherever you want, right? WordPress, anywhere. If you want the direct link to the video, it's this link here. Just click here, direct play, okay? Leaving this configuration part, you can come here and add SRT or VTT files with subtitles for the video in other languages. You can separate it by chapters or moments. And here are the statistics. How many people are watching the video per day? What is the average number of minutes watched, the total minutes watched? It's all here for the specific video, okay? This here for VSL and event video is also very good. Alright, then moving on from this first point, we go to the player, which is very important. So in the player, right, we have already set it up to be the new beta, their new video player, which is faster, better, and so on. Here in the player, if you run it, right, for English-speaking countries, or if your video lessons are for the United States or Australia, anyway, places that speak English, Canada, you set the player to English. You can also switch the player to Spanish. If you run Latam, right, here Spanish, or even to Portuguese. Portuguese, where is it? Here Portuguese, if you run Brazil. Then the video player is in the language you want. If you are running Latam, Spanish, or if you are running for the whole world, English, okay? Where is English? English is here, done. You can change the font, the colors, I'll go through it quickly, okay? Here, very important. Look, player controls. What do you want to allow the person to click on while they are watching the video? A big play button is here. Airplay, I don't want to give too many options. Video duration, in VSL usually removed, right? Now for a video lesson, you can click here and show the video duration. Can the person play or pause? No, yes. Can you change the volume? Can you mute the video or not? You can change it here, full screen or not. The video progress bar, do you want it to appear on the player or not? It's all here. She can add subtitles or not. The video speed, when it's a video sales letter, we usually don't want, right? A sales video, we don't want the person to change the video speed. We want them to watch everything. But when it's a video lesson, we already include it here, right? It can be 1 time, 1.5, or 2, or even more. You configure it here, okay? Here, yeah, you can let the person pause the video or not, so they can return to where they were watching. In sales videos, we usually don't allow it, right? The heat map, the video's heat map, will allow the person to see where there are more views in the video or not. Then it's up to you how you configure it, okay? Advertising, we don't need to change. Encoding, very important here. You leave it on the free option and come down here, look, and set the resolutions you want the person to be able to watch. If it's a VSL, you leave it at 720 or 1080 and it's fine, because then the video loads faster, right? Now if it's video lessons, you can leave it at 1080 and 4K. Really cool, right? You don't need to change these options in the codecs. Ishami here. For the rest, only if you have knowledge of advanced settings. Transcribing. You can set it here so that every time you upload a video, it will charge you a bit more for this, but it will already transcribe the video for you to create subtitles in other languages. Look at that. You can set which language is here, see? And set intelligent automatic title and intelligent automatic description through artificial intelligence. Here in security, very important, it's a recurring question also from the comments on other videos I recorded. Oh, Edu, I got the link there, the code to embed the video in WordPress on my sales page, but the video isn't showing up. What could it be? It's here. You have to allow the domain where you will place your sales page for the video to appear. This is protection for your video. If someone copied your video and is using it on another site, right, your own video, you can put it here to block those domains from showing your video. And if you have a sales page, you have to come here and add the domain to allow the video to appear on that domain. Understand? Here. Look, you always leave it checked. Why? If someone gets the direct link to your video and tries to share it, open it in the browser, etc., it won't appear when you leave it blocked here. See, selected. Isn't that cool? This here for the sales page is sensational. It's essential, okay? Brazilian tools also do this, right? You know the tools, but they start their plans charging 100 reais per month, 89.90 per month. Bunny charges a negligible amount, as I've already shown you. Here in delivery, you can leave it just like this, as it is. No need to click anything. Storage, no need to click anything, as it's the configuration we already went through. And statistics show the total view statistics of the videos you uploaded, including by locations in the world, and so on. Alright? The last part I have to show you here is precisely for you to earn the extra $30. Where you come and fill in your information, fill in the payment details, and one day when they charge you, everything will be all set. But with $50, as I told you, you can stay there if you have usage like mine for 50 months.